Guys, I am here along with my son Aga Umair in Islamabad. It's 28th August, 29th maybe. We are here for a hiking trail. Yeah, this is it. It's trail number 5. It's the most popular trail of Islamabad. It's a nature walk, 4 kilometers, water spring, 2 kilometers, camping site, half a kilometer. And there is my tank. It's parked and upset that why I'm not taking it along. But it's a hiking trail. So cheer up, tank. Let's go and join me. So Umair is here and we are moving out of the car park. And the view is lush green because of the monsoon season. This place is brimming with life. So much of botanic life, the plants. It's a good little arrangement here. When you come along, don't forget to put on jogger shoes. Umair is very clever. He's putting on jogger shoes. You are a clever man. Not so me. I am putting on my dressing shoes because we just met our General Asfandyar Patodi. He lives half a minute from this place. Hiking trail starts from this place, I think. And I don't know whether they'll give us tickets or not. बेटा यहाँ पे टिकट होते हैं या फ्री है? अच्छा. This is a free place. This is the map. Margalla Hills National Park. Breathe freely, tobacco smoke free zone. It means you cannot smoke here. Umair, better do our smoking right here, huh? And its restrictions on trails. Do not damage vegetation by cutting branches. Visit safety responsibly. In compliance of Ministry of Health, please follow the instructions. It's a very nice looking trail. You call it trail, some people call it trail, but it's trail better. Anti-littering campaign to protect Margalla Hills National Park. So Umair, do you want to put a wish on this wish tree?
Yes.
People put wishes. What wish do you want to do? To have another Goldie?
Yes.
Yeah, my son wants to have another Goldie. Goldie was my dog. I imported it from Russia. It was a Labrador. We put wishes on this tree. Do you have a wish, Umair?
Yes. I want to become a professional footballer.
He wants to become a professional soccer player. Play for Barcelona. Nickname Messi. We forgot to bring along a talisman to put on the wish. अब बेटा पहले आए हैं, कौन सा ट्रैक सही है? यहाँ से यहाँ से? मैं भी पहली दफा आया हूँ. See you after a while, boys. So guys, this is the place where first we come across a spring. People are enjoying. And these are the markers of the trail. Red is restricted way, yellow is link trail, white is main trail. And these are the kids playing in the water. Umair has brought his swimming suit. So let's do some swimming. Umair, do you want to do the swimming? No? Let me do the swimming then. So guys, I'm going to do some swimming. And I want to bring you along. So you want to go and have a dive? So you want to go and have a dive? It's a cold looking spring. No? Okay, maybe next time. They don't want to go. All their mobiles will get wet. Umair is enjoying his hike. And so am I. But it's a little difficult if you are having dressing shoes. So you better put on some joggers. Or some slippers for going to the waters, the springs. The trail takes you along with this beautiful nala. And due to rains, it's a little slippery. It will be a good test for my dressing shoes. Let's hope they do not disappoint me. Oh my goodness. Now what, Umair? Now what? Now what, Umair? There is no other way around. I'll have to get down and dirty now. Oh my God. Umair, don't take me out, please. I don't want to spoil my dress, man. Oh my goodness. I'll get slipped down. Umair says, let's cross it through the rocks. I'll slip down and spoil my dress. But does he listen? Oh no, you can bet your last dollar he doesn't listen. Umair, मुझा कपड़ा तबाह थी ना मिश्रा. मां स्लिप थी पे नो मैं मेरा एक्सरे कराने वठी ने मांगे दूं. उमेर मेरा शूज स्लिप थी अंदर था. ये जाके ही चोय ना पता ना चोना है. अच्छा. Umair says the water is very cool and very pleasant. I cannot cross this bridge on these shoes, my dressing shoes. The trail goes up there. I wanted to go till the springs, but I guess this is all I can go ahead to. I have to go back now. Oh my. So guys, this was a disappointing end to a very promising and very entertaining trail hike because my shoes let me down. I never knew there would be so much of water in my way. I cannot spoil this dress. I have to wear it on a dinner tonight. It's an utterly mess. Otherwise, I don't care. You know that. You know me. Old soldier boy doesn't care anything about the dresses. Umair liked the water spring. It was cold. Not so in my case. Umair, how many 10 out of how many out of 10 would you give to this trial?
8.
8. Umair gave it 8. You must visit this place, guys. It's a beautiful place. All the families are here. So long. Umair likes the trail. The trees here are so beautiful. The trail, although very stony, but that is nature. Nature is stony, it's edgy, it's ridgy. Yeah, the smell here because of the monsoon season, it's very pleasant. It's very, very nice, very natural. You will feel hungry after half an hour because of all this natural beauty and the smell of these trees. This place is so beautiful. No, Umair, isn't this beautiful?
It's beautiful.
Okay, Umair, hold it. So guys, I'll see you when I get to Multan or maybe in the utterly mess tonight dinner.